வணக்கம். வெல்கம் டு அறிவலை FM பாட்காஸ்ட் சேனல் brought up by பாரதி எஜுகேஷனல் இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் ரெட்டிப்பட்டி நாமக்கல். அறிவலையின் அலைகளில் மிதப்போம். This audio mirchi platform is full of learning and extraordinary knowledge. So don't miss, stay tuned. தொடர்ந்து இணைந்திருப்போம். இது உங்களுக்கான பாரதியின் அறிவலை பாட்காஸ்ட். Hello everybody. Hope you're well and good. But still, people say that teenage and old age are undergoing an unpleasant feeling. Is that so? Can you guess what unpleasant feel is that? Fine, let me tell you. Fear is the topmost emotion ruling everyone's life. Am I right? Yes, people say so. That's why I want to take up this opportunity to share my opinion about fear in life. I doubt whether it is logical or illogical. No answer to it. Why? Because it plays both positive and negative roles. Positive? How is it possible is your doubt. Let me clear it. Fear is not necessarily a bad thing. It is one of the inbuilt human survival instincts. It helps us to stay safe and alive. Also guides us to succeed in life. I'm very sure that positive fear accomplishes our goals. That's how our fear on parents and elders makes us to follow their instructions and advices. Whereas too much of fear is the bad thing that triggers our emotions negatively. Example, you may feel insecure and fearful to ride a bike, to write an exam, to perform on the stage, to speak out in the meeting, etc. This sort of negative fear impacts both physical and mental health and also not let you to do your activities. Fine. According to me, fear is between the birth and the death. It starts from a mother's love. Example, a mother's fear about the growth of a baby, about the delivery, schooling, college level, placement, job security, further marriage. Once the boy crosses 30 to 40 years old, fear of disease. At last, fear of death. Though it is a common fact to all people in the world, life will turn to knife. That's excess fear leads to death. My dear listeners, it is scientifically proven that people of excess fear lost their lives. That's why, because when our negative emotion exceeds the limit, our body releases the hormone called adrenaline, which slows down our heartbeat and blood vessel. So it is very dangerous. I never meant to scare you, only to care you and make you aware about excess fear puts you in danger. And now, it's a time to list out 2 reasons of fear. Are you all ready? Yes. First one, fear of loss. Most common emotion. Have you lost any valuable things? If yes, how did you feel? Fearful of getting back the lost thing or felt lost? One more example. Loss of a close friend, death of a partner, death of a relative or neighbor is a serious illness. I know, but still to make a life meaningful, we need to accept the fact and overcome the fear through our confidence. Otherwise, it will be ridiculous. Why do we fear so much? That's because of bad management. Fine. Moving on to the second one, fear of outcome. I feel really good to speak about this point. Why people never take action? Because they have too much of fear. Fear is holding people back. Even worse, in daily life, fear stucks people in doing small things or big things. They fear for failures, rejection, public speaking, and many more. Students fear for marks and professionals fear for survival. Anyhow, everyone's fear is an illusion. It's impossible to overcome. That doesn't exist. Only way to develop the confidence in you helps to build your career. I'd like to point out a person who won Global Teacher Award 2020. Ranjit Singh Dizale, a government school primary teacher from Maharashtra, had made history by not just winning the 1 million USD, also once the gentleman named by deciding to share half of his prize money with the 9 finalists. He is popular now only because he came out of fear and participated in the global level. I shared this because I strongly believe that sharing is growing. Finally, my advice and concern is never let your fear, which brings out your tear, to make yourself cheer. You need to encounter unnecessary fear that doesn't make sense. Know your own capacity, trust yourself, no matter what others think about you. Last but least, we came across the dimensions of fear. Next week, I'll share how to overcome the fear. Until then, keep going. Don't miss the chance. Life is yours. Thank you to all.